Hi all, markets continued their northward trajectory in the absence of negative development over the weekend on the global as well as domestic front. Toward the fag end of last week, we managed to surpass the sturdy wall of 10,200 on a closing basis. So now going ahead, as long as we are trading convincingly about 10,000, the bias remains bullish and one should use any dip to go long. Slowly and gradually, we would expect Nifty heading towards 10,600, 10,800 levels. But the move will not be as smooth as it has been since last couple of days. So, what should be the trading strategy for the forthcoming session? For indices, especially for Nifty, in case of any dip towards 10,260, it should be used as a buying opportunity. Stop would be around 10,190 and target can be placed around 10,320 to 10,350. For aggressive traders, in case if we first move towards 10,350 to 10,380, aggressive traders can go short with a strict stop loss around 10,420, and we would expect some minor profit booking to take Nifty again back to 10,280 to 10,250 levels. The overall bias still remains bullish, and hence one should avoid aggressive short positioning in the market. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, today we saw good outperformance from the banking space, especially from the PSU banking names. So for Bank Nifty, the ideal strategy would be to go longs in case of a dip towards 21,400 by keeping a stop around 21,180, and target would be around 21,900 to 22,100. Similar to Nifty, in case if first Bank Nifty moves toward this resistance zone of 21,900 to 22,100, one can go short for a minor pullback of 250 to 300 points with a stop beyond 22,200. Now, as far as stock ideas are concerned, we saw good broad-based rally in today's session, wherein some of the individual pockets did exceedingly well. Pharma has been buzzing since last couple of months. We continue to see good traction in most of the pharma names. Apart from this, as I just alluded, PSU banks did well. Some of the beaten down NBFC stocks continue to give decent recovery. So for the forthcoming session, we have picked out 3-4 stocks. So first stock would be IDFC First Bank, which has been a laggard, but since last 3-4 days we have seen some early sign of revival. Stock has managed to give a decisive breakout, so one can go long with a stop around 26.9, target 30 to 31. The second buy would be from the pharma space, from the broader market. So Natco Pharma looks good from the cash segment. It has been consolidating of late, but within this consolidation we have seen good buying emerging at lower levels. So Natco Pharma is poised for a good move. The positional target would be around 692. It can be bought with a stop around 625.80. From the PSU banking names, Union Bank and Bank of Baroda are poised for a good move. Hence, one can look to go long in the respective names. For Union Bank, the stop would be around 31, target 35 to 36. For Bank of Baroda, the stop would be around 47 and target would be around 53. Thank you.